I got these styrofoam pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. They had an assortment of different sizes, shapes, and colors, and I just grabbed a variety of them. I then took this wooden dowel, it's about 12 inches in length, and I just started sticking the dowel through the styrofoam pumpkin. And I was just sticking it on the left or right side of each pumpkin, and it poked through it pretty easily. And once I had the holes in each pumpkin, I then just would stack the pumpkins on top of each other. I made it so they were staggered, and then it looked like that. Next, I had these bow tie popsicle sticks, and I did cut them in half, and then I just painted 3 of them using the dried thyme from Wise Owl. I let those dry, and I get my wood letters, usually from Dollar Tree as well. Each pack has a complete A through Z letter, so I do collect them, so I had to take an L from another pack, and I painted the word hello using the color Bone from Wise Owl. Now you can paint the hello any color that you want. You can make it a little darker. And then I just allowed that to dry. I went back to my bow tie popsicle sticks, and I just glued them to the top of 3 of the pumpkins. And now these were the stem of the pumpkin. And here's the 3rd one I painted. I then went back to my letters and I glued them to the front of each styrofoam pumpkin. Now I chose the word hello, but you can get more pumpkins and pick a bigger word like welcome or gather. And once I had everything attached, I just took this wooden leaf and stuck it behind the top stem here. I found this planter that I had, and I just filled it with some Spanish moss. And then I'm going to glue the stacked pumpkins to that. And now you can place this by your fireplace, on top of a buffet, or even at your entryway. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out some other tutorials over on our YouTube or our webpage. Have a great day.